So taking a look at using a spanning tree to try and figure this one out, we are going to look at this example where Monica wishes to travel from point A to point F. So we've got our start and our finish. And we're going to use the tree to help us balance this out. So the tree is basically going to get us to show every single possibility. So you can see she goes from A to B. She's got two possibilities. She can go straight to F. So that's the option to go straight to F. Or she could take two steps there going from E to F. Other possibility would go C, E, F. I mean, she could go C, E, B, F, but I can see here that E to F is 8 kilometers, which is much shorter than 27 and 40, so I'm not going to include it. And same the other way around, so I'm just going to eliminate some of those options by taking just the shortest one that I see. That I can see, obviously, anyways. And then A to D, and then from D, she could either go E to F, or she could go straight to F as well. So what we want to do here is just add up our distances as we go. So 38 is the first distance from A to B. So 38 plus 27 is going to get us to 65 kilometers. And then from E to F is 68 plus 8, so that's going to get us to 76 kilometers. And going the other route, 38 kilometers and then a plus 40 in between, so 38 plus 40 is going to get us to 78 kilometers if she goes straight from B to F. A to C is 45 plus 24, so 45 plus 24 is going to be 69. And then we're going to have 69 plus 8, which will get us to 77 kilometers. And looking at our other possibility here, going out to D at 50 kilometers, D plus the distance to E is 21, so that's 50 plus 21 is going to get us to a total of 71 kilometers on that path. And then from E to F again is 8, so that's 71 plus 8 is going to get you to 79 kilometers. And from D straight down to F would be 50 plus 26. And we can see that that is going to be 76. And it's a bit confusing here because I can see I've got two distances, so you should probably either be yelling at me because I made the mistake or paying more attention because you didn't notice I made the mistake. I went from 65 to 68 when I wrote this problem, so that should be 65 plus 8, which will get you to 73 kilometers. So here we can see that this is the shortest possible. It's going to be from A to B to E to F. And when you do it this way, using a spanning tree, you don't necessarily have to put together all the words because this is demonstrating your thought process of what you've done. You've tried all the possibilities. And then you'd still want to explain that it's a total distance of 73 kilometers, which is shorter than the other options. So that's how you would go about using the spanning trees if you need them. And they can be helpful if you've got a complex diagram or you're not sure. And don't be afraid to skip over things if you see they're obviously longer or shorter, that you can, aim to just try the shorter ones if you know that they're there.